Okay, here's Candy and Thunder's puppies. Hey there. At 5 weeks old. And you see a big difference in them between this and the last video. Moving around. Hey there. Hi there. Hi. Hi there. Yeah. They're hard to get a good picture of because they keep moving. Hey. What you doing back here, huh? What you doing? Oops. So they're eating dry food now, not even any water. Big boy. There's a girl. There you go. Oh, what are you going to cry about? Purina Pro Plan large breed puppy is what they're on. And again, they're eating it dry and drinking water separate. They are actually away from mom for almost half a day. We're actually going to get ready to skip a day pretty soon. So they're doing great. And just need to wean and grow up a little bit more. So that's all. Happy Thanksgiving. That's today. 5 weeks old. Trying to get out, huh? Trying to get out? Right there. That's all for now.